Scott, how do Democrats continue to say Bidenomics is working when clearly the rest of America just doesn't feel that?
Well, they may not be feeling it, but Bidenomics is working. We just had GDP rise by 2.4%, historical low unemployment. The stock market for 15 or 14 straight days is on an upswing, and that's never happened in 100 years.
That's on Wall Street, though. Come on, Main Street doesn't feel that.
Well, but okay, on Main Street, you got the unemployment rate being a record low, about 3%, 3.5%. It's frustrating for Democrats like me who see these great economic numbers and story to tell, and yet America's not feeling it. Inflation numbers are down. Now, maybe when you buy bread or gas, you're not feeling it, so you still think we're going in the wrong direction. Well, I think both parties have a lot of work to do in this particular area. The Dems just happen to be in the White House. But the messaging and connecting with the voters and making those statistics connect with how people feel. Maybe we've got to do more work to get better numbers, but the reality of the matter is our messaging out of the White House has got to be stronger and broader so that there's that connection. Okay, so the Republicans in gun control, if you will. Sean's right about illegal guns. You got to take a whole different approach to it. But closing the loopholes in regard to gun control, we know 70-80% of people believe in gun control in this country. But when the Republicans and NRA get to the legislative piece, it all falls apart. I will tell you this about crime, right? You don't have to be a victim of a crime in order to feel less safe. I think as I travel this country, I'm in almost every urban center. My law firm has offices in every urban center. And I must tell you, what's different about this crime piece is that crime is happening in areas where traditionally it did not happen, right? In Restaurant Row. In D.C., 14th Street, Columbia Road, downtown, Upper Northwest, in areas where traditionally violent crime simply has not occurred. It seems like it's expanding, and it's a decision that we make as citizens as to where we go, how long we stay out, and whether we feel safe spending money in those communities.
Okay.
This is full negotiation. I can tell you that I've handled several of these. They've negotiated, and today what happened was he says, I'm going to put it to a vote, and Facebook's lawyer said, okay, what documents did you want again that we haven't given you? Because you can't really go to court and have the judge arbitrate it, if you will, or mediate it, and the rules don't apply like you're in court with the legislature. And so you negotiate, but you don't want to be held in contempt. You don't want to really get a subpoena issued to your top executives to come answer for failing to turn over documents. Although I will say Facebook turned over at least 53,000 documents already. What else could they be looking for?